Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Welcome again with amazing and beautiful video. Because today we are creating pure magic with Jute, simple, budget friendly and unbelievable. Beautiful decoration for your home. But along with the craft, I will also share a heartwarming Christmas story about kindness, hope and handmade miracles. In a small snowy village called the village of Thread, lived a young girl named Mira. Christmas was her favorite time for the year, but her family could not afford fancy decoration. Still, Mia believed the magic was not bought, it was created. One chill evening, she found an old roll of jute rope in the attic. She had she held it in her hand and whispered, "Maybe this enough to bring Christmas alive." And what did enough, Mia began her magical crafting journey. Let's start with our first creation, beautiful jute Christmas star. You need for the jute rope, cardboard, glue, a little gold glitter. Draw a star shape on the cardboard and cut it out. Now wrap the jute tightly around the star, covering it completely. Add a touch of glitter to the edges for a soft golden sparkle. Simple, elegant, and perfect for Christmas ball for tea. Mira created her first decoration, a little jute star, and hung it outside her window. The wind made it simple softly, and its glow attracted the neighbors. "How did you make that?" they asked. Mira smiled and replied with simple thing and a lots of heart. And Mira kept crafting. More people from the village joined her. They bought old buttons, leftover beads, strings, and bits of fabric. Together, they transformed their simple home into sparkling winter wonders. For the first time, the village of Thread glowed brighter than ever before. Now we can create a little jute angel, the symbol of hope. You need jute twine, a small wooden bridge, a teeny piece of ribbon. Wrap the jute around your hands to make a small loop. This forms the angel's dress tightly at the top, and the wooden beads for the head shapes wings from the train and glue them on. Add a ribbon bow at the front, and there you go, a cute little ornaments for your Christmas tree. On Christmas Eve, all the villagers gather in the town square. They decorate a big pine tree, initially with the handmade jute craft. Children laugh, elders sing, and snowflakes dance in the air. Suddenly, the mayor approaching Mira and said, "You brought our family village together with just a roll of jute. This is the real Christmas magic." Mira looked at the lights shimmering through the jute straw and whispered, "Magic is not in thing, it's in people." Just like Mira Village, your home too can glow with the magic of handmade love. If you enjoy the story, if you enjoy the video, and these easy budget friendly craft ideas, so don't forget to like the subscribe and share video with your friends and family, and must post your valuable comments, your suggestions. If you want to see more attractive, more stylish crafting designs, so please must visit my channel. There is lots of crafting ideas, tutorials, step by step. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you.